Sewer smell coming from your toilet area is one of the most annoying home problems, but luckily you can fix it without calling in a pro right away. So here's the deal. First off, check the wax ring seal under your toilet because that's usually where the stink is coming from. If it's broken or squished, that smell sneaks out. Next, make sure your toilet flange, the part that connects the toilet to the drain pipe, is sealed tightly and not cracked. Sometimes, just tightening the bolts helps a lot. Another thing to look at is the vent pipe on your roof. If it's clogged with leaves or debris, the sewer gases have nowhere to go but into your bathroom. You can clean that vent pipe with a garden hose or a plumber's snake. Also, pour water into rarely used drains to keep the traps full, which blocks sewer gases. Don't forget to check for leaks around the base of the toilet because water there often means a bad seal. If all else fails, using a natural odor absorber like baking soda near the toilet base might help until you get a proper fix. One of the biggest issues causing sewer smell from toilets is a damaged or improperly installed wax ring seal, which you can fix by replacing it with a new one. Another common mistake is ignoring blocked or dirty vent pipes. Clearing these out lets the air flow properly and stops the gases from coming inside. Lastly, people often overlook loose toilet bolts or cracked flanges that let sewer smells escape. Make sure to tighten bolts carefully and replace any cracked parts to keep everything sealed tight. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to get steady work by reaching people who need your skills nearby.